Traders, how the devil are you? Hope you had a lovely weekend. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading. Today's vid, guys, will be me showing you all of my trade ideas. So every single day, guys, I'm going to give you all of my trade ideas. And if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to show you how, where, and why I am entering the trade. And also what I'm looking at in general. So stay tuned. Right, let's start. The catalyst for my trades today is this. So from Friday, we had some poor data for the Canadian dollar and we had poor data for the US dollar, right? And this both led to Canadian dollar and US dollar weakness. And this is going to be the catalyst for our trades today. We're looking at CAD pairs and US dollar pairs, right? Not all of them. I've selected a few. Okay, so let's start with the Canadian dollar pairs. And the first one is this. So this is Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, and this is the day chart. And we just follow trend and structure, right? And bang. Yeah, we was in this range. Okay, now it's broken this range with a nice big bullish candle. That is a continuation of trend for me. If we zoom out a bit, guys, or even go to the weekly chart, I've just taken my target's just the next psychological level, 9,250. My next target would be 9,300, and so on. Right, so that's my target for that reason. I mean, price could, come all the way back up to here, this 9,400 level. All right, but remember, I'm an intraday trader. But if you're a swing trader, you would be looking for some of those further away targets. So we've looked at the day chart, we've looked at the weekly chart, we know our direction now. We're looking to buy. If we drop down to the H4, right, I'm just looking for a retrace. So if price retraces into this grey zone, okay, you've got these highs here, you've got this previous resistance here, then we get a bullish reaction. We can start entering from here on the H4. All right. If we look at the H1, and it's pretty much the same trade, guys, I still need a retrace here, right? Back to this grey zone, even the moving average 20, maybe here, we get a bullish reaction and we start buying. If you look at the day chart, guys, right, it's so bullish. This is the day chart now. It's so bullish that you might not get a retrace and price just goes storming up. If that's the case, no problem. I don't have a trade. I need a retrace because that represents value. It's easier for me to hide my stop loss, right? If it doesn't happen, no problem. I have no FOMO. Neither should you. There'll be another trade around the corner. So Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, we're looking for buys. The next Canadian dollar weakness trade, say that after a few, is EURCAD. Right, so again, if we just follow structure, as soon as we break that high there, we're in an uptrend, okay? But I wasn't interested in EURCAD because we was at resistance and price comes shooting back down. But now look what's happened. Friday's candle, not only have we broken these highs here, we've also broken through this area of resistance, right? And as with all the Canadian dollar pairs, we've got a nice bullish candle as well. All right, and the idea is to take it up to this level here. There's 64850. If we drop down to the H4 now, we need a retrace, guys. We need a bit of value. So what I want to see is perhaps price retraces down to here and these last highs here. It might want to retrace further to the moving average 20 perhaps. I would consider both of these options. If we get a bullish reaction, we can then start entering. Because that daily candle is so bullish, right? If we go to the H1, I'd also consider just, if the H1 moving average 20, if we just sort of catch up with that, we get a bullish reaction again, I would consider buying euro Canadian dollar. And if you want to know exactly when I enter and my take profit, stop loss, etc., then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. That's why I put all of my trade signals. So EURCAD is also a buy, and then finally pound Canadian dollar. Again, start with the day chart. Look at that candle. And let's start with the weekly chart, actually, so you can understand my target. So my target is exactly there. Before we start getting into this wick, because this wick tells me sellers are in here. So I want to exit the trade before then, right? It's as simple as that. But we've still got a good, 20, 30 pips to move into. If we go back to the day chart, again, we've got this nice big bullish candle. And then if we just think about trend, really, guys, yeah, okay, and we're kind of here, really. Okay, so we've broken these last highs with this candle here. All right, we're above the moving average 20, yeah, and we've got a bit of room to move into. Again, the million-dollar question is, will it retrace? Because it's such a bullish candle. Will it retrace? Maybe it won't. Okay, again, no problem. But if it does retrace, right, these are the areas I'm interested in. So obviously there's this really nice level here. Yeah, price has reacted many times here. So if price retraced into here, yeah, moving average 20 caught up as well. We've got a nice bullish reaction. I would definitely buy that. So you're getting such great value here, but it may not retrace that far. So if we drop to the H1 now, I would also consider, if the H1 moving average 20 comes here, price catches up with it, I would also consider buying from the moving average 20. But again, want to see a bullish reaction. All right, so those are my Canadian dollar pairs. We're now going to move on to the US dollar pairs now. Before I do, guys, if you would like to speak to like-minded traders, share ideas, knowledge, then please come join our free Discord channel, our trading community, right? It's a lovely community. Yeah, come join it. Secondly, guys, if you want more than that and you would like my trade signals, you would like numerous tutorials on how to trade, and you would like direct access to me should you need help with anything, then please come and join our VIP Trading Academy. And finally, guys, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you will get access to these things and discounts. All right, so check it all out. All of these things are in the video description. And also you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member as well to show your support. Right, let's have a look at US dollar pairs now. So Aussie dollar, US dollar. Here we go, guys, right? There was a few US dollar pairs, but the ones I'm going to show you are the ones I like, because other US dollar pairs were at resistance or at support, right? And we wasn't, they're not as attractive as these trades, right? So if we look at Aussie dollar, US dollar, this is attractive because it has so much room to move into, right? Up to this 600-800 psychological level. Okay, so look, if I show you on the weekly chart, yeah, I really like the weekly chart. Yeah, we had some consolidation, right? And then a break. Nice big bullish candle. And look at that room we got to move into. And as you can see, yeah, this is my target. All right, so I really like the weekly chart, first and foremost. And then if we go down to the day chart, we've basically broken a range, right? Yeah, we was in this range. We was in an uptrend before then, but price was kind of just ranging between here. But then it started creating this higher low here, right? And then eventually, on the back of that bad US dollar data, price has broken with this candle, Friday's candle here. All right, and it's bullish, like I said, and we got room to move into. So we want to buy Aussie dollar, US dollar. If we drop down to the H4, we've clearly got this level here. So if price, let me zoom out a little bit so you can see. Yeah, basically the last daily highs, right, all through here, okay, and this level here. Right, so if price retraces on the H4, maybe the moving average 20 catches up somewhere in here, okay, and we get a bullish reaction, I would be looking to buy Aussie dollar against the US dollar. So that's the H4. And then if we drop down to the H1, there's also this level here, guys, right? You can see price has been, touched many times at this level. If we get a retrace, yeah, we get a nice bullish reaction in here. I would also consider buying from here, guys. Stop below here, take price higher. So that's Aussie dollar, US dollar. And then the other US dollar pair that I like is gold. You are gold. Always believing. Sorry, I have to sing that. It's the VIP Trading Academy private joke, and I have to sing it. Right, let's start with the day chart. So this is what I'm seeing, guys, right? We've got this big resistance level up here, okay? But we've still got room to move into. So that's why this blue line is my target, right? Makes sense. And then if we just look at this structurally, yeah, I've been showing people this, descending triangle all week, right? And eventually, price was coming down and now bang, it's broken out there. It did break out here, right? But that was, buying straight into resistance. Okay, so I didn't want to do that. But then we had Friday's candle, which has broken through this level and even this high here as well. Yes, we can take price back up to here. In an uptrend, structurally makes sense. Bullish candle, room to move into, broken support and resistance levels. This is all the confluence you should be looking for, guys, right? Let's drop down to the H4. Yeah, again, will we get a retrace? It's so bullish, but there is obviously a level here, right? This grey zone here, perhaps the moving average 20 comes round. We've got these last highs through here, okay? We get a nice bullish reaction here. We can start buying. Yeah, I'd probably, I will take profit back at that high if that actually develops and becomes a high, right? So that's H4. If we drop down to the H1, again, because it's such a bullish daily candle, even if we perhaps get a reaction, just at the moving average 20, right? And we get a bullish reaction, I'd also consider buying from there. Okay. And again, if you want to know exact entries, stop losses, take profits, please come join the VIP Trading Academy. All right, guys. So yeah, one last thing. I've got so much I want to show you today. So they're my trade ideas. And then finally, the indices, right? If you look at the weekly chart, yeah, I was talking last week about will these levels hold on the weekly chart? And the answer is, unequivocally no, right? That is a super bullish weekly candle. Same for the S&P. Right, I was saying to myself, will these sellers prevail and be able to push the markets down? Unequivocally, no. Right, so the direction of the indices still tell me that these want to go higher as well. So if we just look at the S&P, on the day chart, we would want to retrace. There's now become a nice level here. Yeah, if we could, perhaps even get a retrace into these last highs. Yeah, and then we get a bullish reaction. Yeah, we would consider buying some of the indices. All right, guys, those are my trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Monday, the 8th of July, guys. Before I start, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button. Come join us. Right, trades for Monday. So there's no real big news that I'm interested in, to be quite honest, guys. All right. There's a lot of 2-star ratings, as you can see, but nothing's really popping out at the screen, to tell me that we have data that could really move the market. So basically, you are free to trade. Enjoy your trading day. All right, guys. So yeah, thanks for enjoying the vid. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you next time.